throw that up. You automatically turn it on. That's why I have to get rid of it over there.
Automatically turn it on so that I can fill the water.
What is this?
Rice meat.
Who's eating rice?
Good morning, Philippines!
Tignan natin yung, kasi ulan ng ulan, tignan natin yung garden, kung kumusta na sila. May mga bunga na. Kunin ko lang itong ipro natin ito. Ito yan. Ipro natin dahan-dahan para walang tumubo. Ganon. Ganito dito. Look. Dito. Ito. Look. Kunin nyo yan. Ganon. Bakit? Ang taba ng to kamatis. Patay. Talong. May talong tayo. May mga bunga na. Dito din ah. And ang saya ng scallion. Masarap yung scallion. Kailangan ko tong harvest dito. Nasira na ito guys, oh. Tumaas na. Hindi na harvest. Pero ito look. Tumubo ulit. Diba? Hala. String beans natin guys. Look. Ang saya ng string beans. Sana patuloy po kayong look. Gusto kong magdagdag ng string beans ba? Kasi masaya. Taba ng oh. Wala, bakit walang Ay, meron pala. May bunga. Zucchini. Look. Oh, nasira. Ang daming bunga. Nag-start na. Cucumber. Ito siya. Nag-start na rin magbunga. Look. Okay. Yung raspberry, marami na ding bunga. Nandun sa kabila, ang dami. Dada said you have to wait. Good morning, everything! Good morning, guys! It's almost 12 o'clock na. It's almost good afternoon. Pero, aalis tayo, guys. Punta tayong isang bahay. Nakapagbihis tayo para tayong may lakad. May lakad tayo, pero sa bahay lang. Pero gusto kong mag-ayos. So, nag-ayos po tayo. Sinuot ko na yung binili ko sa... Saan ko ba ito nabili? Walmart with Lloydie. So, ngayon po guys, aalis tayo and yun, sinuot ko na yung regalo ni Tami sa akin na necklace. And, so yan. So, ano lang tayo, nagbihis para tayong, talalong. Oh, my car is dirty. This car is need cleaning really badly. So, kailangan kong linisin. Oh, ano to? Holy shit. It's really dirty. And, so, dalhin namin yung aso. Dalhin namin si Roxy and Misty para malabas sila sa bahay. So, yun yung kaganapan. And, Han, we're gonna bring the dog. Huh? Will, it's a thunderstorm, 1 o'clock. Can you stay here and I'll go? Hey, do you want to stay here? I'll go. Do you want to stay with them?
It's gonna be a problem just getting the mail.
Just get the mail and lower the window a little bit. And I have to check.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them in the car and go back and forth.
Yeah, I know, because look, I look at the thing, it's 1 o'clock and another one 4 o'clock. So it's gonna be like, Roxy. Well, you look, picture. Well, you have to look, Han. So, iwan ko eh. Kasi problemado kasi itong si Roxy kapag maiwan dito, guys. Kasi, kita nyo naman, parang magka-heart attack talaga siya, guys, in real life, kung makikita nyo siya. Para siyang magka-heart attack sa takot. So, kaya parang, ako na lang ang aalis. Sus, nakapagbihis tayo para ito sa asawa ko. Oh, goodness. So, you look at the thing. So, delikado kasi si Roxy. Si Misty, it's really okay, but we cannot leave Misty here. Because, you cannot leave, they're like twin. So, kung pupunta ako doon, I just have to do yung mga sulat, i-close yung window, tumawag yung, pinsan ni Tami ngayong umaga, sabi pa niya, 1:00 daw doon ng umaga, kanina, grabe daw yung para daw bagyo. So, nag-alala kami kasi yung bintana open.
It says 1 and it'll come back until 4.
Yeah, but it's thunderstorm, honey. You know that. You stay here. I'll go. Huh?
You want me to go and you can stay?
No, I go. I'm already thinking that I have something to do.
Be careful, especially you all dress up looking like somebody robbed you.
Okay. I'll take this ring. I'll take this ring. I'll take this ring because this is scary. I'm not going nowhere. I'm just gonna go to the house and that's it. I have to. Which window you're opening? You're opening the whole window, every room.
Well, the whole window's open a little bit. The only window will open a lot is the one above the bed.
Huh? No, I'll go, hon. What the heck?
Because then I gotta worry about you driving in the storm and whatnot.
Storm? Like I never drove in storm at night with mom. Oh my god, using your car? I can't forget that shit. It's like I can't see nothing. Guys, tignan nyo tong dalawa, guys. Waiting for Tommy, guys. They are starving, hon. Can you just give them, hon? Look at Hub's face. Can you just put your shoes into their shoes, hon? Like they're starving. Yeah. Over there. That's what happened. When you cannot just stay put first. That's why I said, I'm gonna throw that up. You automatically turn it on. That's why I have to get rid of it over there.
I'm gonna turn it on so that I can fill the water. Oh, look a bug. Get a paper towel. No, put it with a towel.
Did you wait under? Like over this thing?
Take those towels up.
Why? Rox is drinking like. Take that up. This happened like 10 times.
Yeah, this is the worst though.
Because you went outside and then you don't
Because
even,
I was sitting here doing it and I see the birds.
and you don't even realize outside.
I didn't realize till I walked back in here. I was coming out to have a cigarette. Uh-oh.
Oh my ass.
I didn't even hear it because there was so much water there. I wasn't even making noise anymore.
And how did you notice it? Flooding.
Yeah, pretty much you just see on the floor.
These two animals just looking too.
You think they would have stepped up and said, "Oh, let's start drinking this quick so Daddy don't get in trouble." No, they don't say that. See, you could have drank it and kept me out of trouble, but you didn't. You didn't. I give you posies, I give you trees. You didn't keep me out of trouble.
Nagbaha yun guys dito oh. Ang laki ng baha. Grabe, ang daming tubig. Grabe ang baha dito. Good, nagtubig. Good tanan. Nagsok na yun. Patungo na yun sa ilalim. Yung tubig. Hindi na yun sa ilalim ng ano. Kasi ang dami talaga. Patungo yun oh. Ang daming crack. Ay nako. Troublemaker talaga ito si Tami. Grabe dito oh. Pumasok ang tubig ay. Sa ilalim oh. Holy cow. Oh my God. Kasi dito kasi niya, ganyan yan siya guys, oh. Ganyan. Iwan niya yan, iwan niya. And then makalimutan niya, ang mangyayari dito, na, agas-agas. Sabi ko, bakit hindi dito, oh? Bakit hindi dito? Para hindi ka magkalisod. Ganyan yan. Kaluka talaga ito. Ay, nako. Tinatransfer na dito lahat. Kasi umagas ilalo mo doon sa ilalim ng ano. I guess we should wait. We're gonna do it later and then we come, the mailman is in there and then we can leave the dog. You have to check if there's mailman in there. Anyway, hinihintay ko lang si Tami. Ang tagal. Anong sa bathroom, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin. It's 12 o'clock na and then mag-storm. Bumalik ako sa dinaanan namin kasi meron ditong gasoline station na ano, 297 yung gas. So sabi ko doon ako sa paborito kong sa Quick Check. So pagpunta namin sa Quick Check, guys, ginoo ko 307 yung price ng gas nila, grabe. Sabi ko, anyari? 307 $3 na? Noon, one something. Meron akong ano guys, nasa-shock ako guys. Itong sigarilyo ni Tami pala, ito siya, hindi siya pack, bag siya. Alam nyo guys, when was the last time na pumunta si Tami doon? Ang laman nito is 220 yung laman. Na-shock ako. Iilan na lang yung natira dito, konti na lang, look. Mahirap mo awayin kasi makipag-away. So, ang hirap talaga nito kasi look, tignan nyo, 220 cigarette, look. You finished already 220?
One carton of cigarettes. One carton. That's yeah.
Yeah, but for just few weeks.
Right? That's what I smoke.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's...
Andito na kami. It's really dark. I wanna see the bedroom. Oh, the whole window is open. What the heck? A lot of window open here.
I know it.
But it's not wet.
No, the only window was open wide.
Yeah, it's not wet. I forgot to defrost the pork. Nandito kami sa isang bahay daw para lang nito. We came here for this and coffee. No, we came here for the meal And also check. Did you check the basement? Not yet. Hello! Let's go!
You see my coffee still there? We still got coffee? We don't go nowhere.
You come here and eat. And coffee, that's it. Ito yung insurance namin sa sasakyan. Geico. Ilagay natin dito yung mga insurance. Ganun. Ito lang yun. At saka ito, bahay. Lucky mga ibon. Kasi pipakainin na di Daddy Tamimoy yung mga ibon. Kaluka itong bahay na to, hindi pa nabibinta dahil sa kalukuhan ni Tamimoy. Yan, pakain-kain yan siya, ganyan yan siya. Bahog pa rin. There's a Popeyes over there.
What's the $10 deal? Can you see it?
You go inside anyway.
Can you read what it says?
No,
I don't wanna go
$10.
This girl can't understand English. She doesn't have a clue what I'm asking for. I don't think she can count.
1,
You can't count that
2,
way.
3, 4,
You have to move some out to the side.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is this?
Ooh, rice, please.
Who's eating rice?
Comes with the meal. Comes with the meal.
So the people,
great.
so the people, there's
Spicy ranch.
no people there that can speak English.
Yeah, she talked to the other girl who like.
Look at him, guys. Because he makes a wet. Binasa kasi niya yung floor. Tignan nyo yan. Yung sa ilalim sa cabinet, the water, everything is in there. Not too high, Han. Never happen again, ha? Be careful with that. There's wire in there. I'm craving.
Run to the store and get one.
Hmm?
Run to the store and get one.
My husband is not nice. His wife is craving. Oh, why you're watching Britney Spears?
I'm not watching Britney Spears.
Britney. Hindi pa kami kumakain ng dinner. Kasi my husband is not hungry. Hey, eat na. I'm not hungry. You eat.
I'm not hungry, so then.
Hmm?
I'm not hungry, so.
Are you sure you don't eat nothing? Kasi guys, it's 7:26 na ng gabi, hapon, whatever is this you called it. Nag-storm sandali, pero sandali lang. Naulan pa rin siya. Nag-ulan. Pero guys, yung duck, it's right there, ang dalawa. Oh my God, nag-thunder na naman. Oy, si Roxy takot si Roxyhan. Oy, if it's thundery. And I'm not really hungry, guys. I just probably later in the middle of the night we will probably like, oh, we want to eat. Yun talaga. Pero nag-crave ako ng pineapple. Pineapple-an. We have fruits here, but I'm craving pineapple. So, dito na lang tayo, guys. I-in ko na tong vlog very early, ha? Kasi wala namang ganap. And then, yun. Meron lang akong mga tinitignan sa online, gano'n. Oh, maybe there's a cat here.
Probably.
Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Salamat, guys, for going with me to the other house. So, yun, we just go over there to have coffee and to have some lunches. Yeah, nag-check lang kami sa water damage kung meron bang damage sa pero luckily, yung tubig hindi pumasok kahit 1 o'clock it says, and they said, what time was it? That it's like crazy over there? Early in the morning?
4 o'clock in the morning.
4 o'clock in the morning pala di ay.
Hey guys.
Look, Han.
Who's on my foot? Dimple.
Your dimple alert. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Good night, guys.